Welcome. Welcome to the 9th edition of the Plastic Recycling Awards Europe. Thank you very much for joining us today. I am Emilia Tarłowska. I'm Public Affairs and Communications Director at Plastics Recyclers Europe, and I am delighted to be joined by my colleague Beatriz Santos, Editor at Sustainable Plastics, and Jury Chair of the awards. Together, we will reveal the winners of the 2026 Plastic Recycling Awards Europe and celebrate this year's remarkable innovations and achievements within the European recycling industry. I would like to give now the floor to Beatriz.
Thanks, Emilia. It is great to be here today and to welcome you all to reveal the 2026 winners. Before moving forward, we would like, first of all, to congratulate all the finalists. Congratulations. The job of selecting the winners wasn't easy at all. We have 7 categories, and before we move on to the awards, I would like to thank my fellow judges. Thanks for all your work. Okay, back to you, Emilia, for the first category winner.
Thank you, Beatriz. So, our first category is Automotive, Electrical and Electronic Products of the Year. It covers interior or exterior plastic components in the design of automotive products as well as electrical and electronic appliances. The nominations are
Aesthetic Skynolight Trial ABS by Skytech SLP SA. Borcycle GE 2331 SY by Borealis. Borcycle MD 2550 SY by Borealis. Elita Ultra Coffee Machine by DeLonghi Appliances and Sirmax. Borcycle ME7153 SY by Borealis. Meras FRX 2500 by Sipchem Innovent. Rexelian AU20 R5 by Rexelian. And Universal Impact 800 Closed Loop Edition by Robert Bosch Power Tools, MKV and Holy Holy.
Okay. The winning product design was described by judges as a strong, real-world application of recyclates in a complex products, demonstrating practical market implementation. The winning product 2026 in automotive, electrical or electronic category is Eleta Ultra Coffee Machine by DeLonghi and Sirmax. Congratulations!
The second category is Building and Construction Product of the Year for interior and exterior construction products of all types. The nominations are Alma by Plastic Studio, Neuler Unlimited TNG board by Neolor, Pancaset by Grand Soleil iGap with Eco Maplen by Maple, and Breton Bistro Chair by Grand Soleil iGap with Eco Maplen by Maple. The judges acknowledge the market relevance and uptake potential of these winning products. And the winner is Neuler Unlimited. Congratulations.
Let's proceed with the third category, which is Household Leisure Product of the Year, covering all types of domestic and leisure goods. The nominations are Car Perfume by Seam & Co., Trading Essence Emotions. L-Box Contractor by Leon Delbazel and Robert Bosch Power Tools. Samsonite Essence Circular Suitcase Collection by Leon Delbazel, Samsonite and Circularize. Softy Aqua Coral Collection by Interzero Plastics Innovations. Sticker Tack by Ion. And WC Frisch Breath Solid Toilet Rim Blocks by Leon Delbazel and Henkel. This year's winner was recognized as an excellent recycling application with high PCR content. The winning product is L-Box Contractor by Robert Bosch Power Tools and Leon Delbazel.
Our fourth category is Plastic Packaging Product of the Year, covering products used for consumer plastic packaging. The nominations are 50% Repet White Opaque Bottle for UHT Milk by Parmalat. Bottles for Prokinia ADR products and Repsol Recyclex 70R X5 203 by Repsol Materials, Enplast and Prokinia. EUKA 52R 230 grams DIN 45 by Pre-Zero Polymers and Alpla Industrial Austria. R Platina 6.0 PCR laminate tube by EPL Europe and Vince Kunsthoff. And Timber Cover Film Loop 70 by Trio World. This year's winning design was recognized as a highly relevant packaging innovation. And the winner is 50% rePET White Oak Pack bottle for UHT milk by Parmalat. Congratulations.
We now move to the Product Technology Innovation of the Year. This category covers technology innovations that facilitate the production of recyclable products and the use of recycled content. The nominations are Advanced Borcycle PCR LLDPE by Borealis and Erema. Avian CESA TAF A4R by Avian Corporation. Flip-Top RHDPE 2K
by Grams Kunststoff Verarbeiten and WIS Kunststoff.
Go Product Line by Green Cycle. Hulk Apparel Rewhites by Holland Colors Europe. Lotril 40 MA05T by SK Functional Polymer. Milsani Topi RPS Dairy Cup by Aldi, Einkauf, SE & Co, Fernholz and Zott. Personal Protection Equipment by Trio World. Power Stretch Film by Borealis and Raniplast. Recyclable PP Trigger Sprayer with 40% PCR by Reckitt. Safe Hood Loop 35 by Trio World. Slip Scavenger 1540 by Ampacet.
Sirema Hybrid H8825T by Sinoma.
And Thin Stretch Hood Film by Reifenhauser, ExxonMobil and Grünepunkt Sistalen. So we had quite some nominations in this category. Let's see who's the winner. The winning innovation was recognized as a very important demonstration ahead of the packaging and packaging waste regulation targets. The winner is Milsani Topi RPS Dairy Cup by Aldi, Fernholz and Zott. Congratulations.
The sixth category is Recycling Machinery Innovation of the Year, which rewards machines that improve the efficiency and effectiveness of plastics recycling process. The nominations are Aerolite by Pelenc, Deep Nest by Grey Parrot, EV92 220 by CMG Granulators, FCS by Fimic, Hard Washer by Plastmac, Hyperbelt by 3U Vision, Iconic Twin Hyper PET by MAS, Iconic Twin Pre-Densifier by MAS, Line for Granulation Smart by EcoChem, High Throughput Polyolefin Recycling Concepts by Nordson and Fimic, P-React 4000 plus EcoTwin 220 by Next Generation Recycling Maschinen, RecoStar Dynamic Art by Starlinger, and Volex by Erema. This winning innovation was recognized as an outstanding technological advancement. And the winner is Volex by Erema.
Okay, last but not least, our final category is the Plastic Recycling Ambassador of the Year. This category gives a special recognition to individuals who have made an exceptional contribution to European plastic recycling. The nominations are
Ansgar Tess Ovelgone, Managing Director at Tess Kunststoffverarbeitung. Mark Garrett, Managing Director at Clearpoint Recycling. Matthias Philipsson, CEO at Svensk Plaståtervinning, Site Zero. And Santiago Sanz, Industrial and Innovation Director at GCR Group.
This year has given us a rare opportunity and a moment to recognize and celebrate not one, but two ambassadors for the European plastic recycling industry. These two remarkable individuals have shown unwavering dedication, advocating for and advancing the recycling in Europe, making a significant impact on the industry. The Plastic Recycling Ambassadors for Europe 2026 are Ansgar Tess Ovelgone and Matthias Philipsson. Congratulations!
Congratulations to all our winners today. On behalf of Plastics Recyclers Europe, Sustainable Plastics, and Crane Communications, thank you to all the finalists, judges, and winners. And we hope you will join us for a celebratory champagne reception on the awards showcase on stand J90. We will start in 5 minutes, so I really do hope to see you all there. We would like now to call on stage all the winners for a group photo, so please make sure to post it on your social media channels. Please join us.